to my channel. So, today we are going to be drawing some juice cups. You will need one A4 sheet of paper, landscape, a grey lead pencil, a eraser, a sharpener, a fine liner or black texture with a thin point. So you will need 3 stamps. I'm using an orange, an apple and a strawberry. And you will also need some coloured pencils of your choice. So to start off with, we will be drawing a curved line down the bottom, and then at the top we'll be drawing a bigger curved line and then connecting the 2 lines at each end. So from one end of the curved line at the top to the other end, we will be drawing another curved line. So then we'll be drawing another curved line 1/2 centimetre above the top curved line we just connected the 2 with. Then we'll be drawing at the top of the cup lid a semicircle to make a hole for our straw to go through. Then about 1/3 into the cup, we will be drawing another curved line for our label, and then about a little bit downwards we'll be drawing another curved line, and then drawing a circle in the middle in between the 2 curved lines we just drew. Now we'll be drawing the straw. So we'll start at the top, make a small curve down, and then just keep drawing straight down. Don't worry about going over the label because we can just erase that. And then draw a small circle at the top of the straw, and then draw another line with a slight curve in it this time, not too big a curve. And follow it all the way down to the bottom. And then erase the part that got in on the label and redraw over any areas you accidentally erased. Now, your next step is to repeat the process 2 more times if you're drawing more than one like I am. Now, in the middle of each circle, we're going to use our stamps so we know what flavoured juice it is. colour them in. So if you're not sure what shade in your multiple shades of colours, use a scrap piece of paper to just test what colours you want to use. Continue colouring it in. If you want to make it look more 3D, do some shading and make the lines curved along with the curved lines with the cup. Step is to colour the blank area still blank in brown or whatever colour you like. If you'd prefer to leave it white, that is fine too. So your next step is to colour the straws in. I'm using blue for all my straws, but if you want to, change round to a colour that suits your drawing and your style. Is to get our fine liner and write the name of the juice in the circle underneath or above the stamps, whichever you prefer. And that is how you draw a juice cup. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!